Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Curiosity. Chapter 9. The light towards the path of progress. Get connected. Self-awareness. Have you ever wondered what life must have been 100 years ago? There would have been no cars, barely any electricity, no phones, no modern appliances in the kitchens, and probably school would have been a simple one-room affair. You would have seen silent movies, and there would definitely be no internet to help you. So the question is, in a short span of just 100 years, how have we come so far? Read ahead to find out. Knowledge acquisition. A brilliant proverb says, you only get answers to the questions you have the courage to ask. The light of curiosity is in everybody's mind. Every child curiously reaches out to feel and explore the different things he sees in daily life. Even the scientists and inventors were always curious and questioning things. That is how our lives evolved as well. The progress that mankind has made in the past 100 to 150 years can be attributed to curiosity. In the near past, there were huge libraries with hundreds of books. If you speak to your parents, they will tell you about how they had to reference through a number of books for one topic. Today, everything is available at the click of a mouse. When the internet was founded by Tim Berners-Lee, he had only his curiosity and dream to ensure everything is available to everyone at their fingertips. His curiosity to manage to connect everyone around the world has made it possible to easily overcome barriers. There has been an exchange of ideas and thoughts, and we can proudly say the world is more accepting and a smaller place because of this. Curiosity is always wanting to do more. Like in the case of Thomas Edison, Humphrey Davy, and Joseph Swan, who invented the light bulb. Earlier candles were the source of light after sundown, but the light bulb changed all of that. Think of the curiosity that mankind has harbored for a long time. From inventing the wheel to finding solutions and medicines for life-threatening diseases, everything that we have today has been made possible only because of curiosity. Columbus and many other explorers like him decided to satisfy their curiosity and go on voyages around the world. That is how they even discovered that the world is round instead of a flat surface that they thought it was. This urge to seek out more and gain more information than has been possible before has helped put a man on the moon. When cars were invented, mankind could have thought that it is enough to travel around in cars rather than on horseback. However, they still remained curious and found flying as a means of commuting. This helped in greatly reducing the time taken for travel. Where a few years ago, people were writing letters to their loved ones abroad, today they connect with a single click of a mobile phone and make video calls. No longer does one have to wait years before seeing their loved ones. So why exactly is curiosity important, and how does it help us? 1. Change is the only constant thing in the universe. As humans, we are an ever-evolving species. To sustain ourselves in this changing world, it is necessary to progress. Curiosity is the vehicle of this progress. 2. It isn't far-fetched to say that curiosity has kept us alive till now. In the prehistoric days, animals hunted humans. Men discovered fire and saved themselves from the animals. It is this curiosity that has kept them alive. 3. Asking questions, trying to find solutions for things keeps the brain cells active. A few years ago, it was simple enough to go to the market and buy the necessities. When telephones became common, people started ordering things over the telephone. Today, there are apps which deliver everything from groceries to vegetables to milk and clothes at your doorstep. Even food can be easily brought in from restaurants at home. These are all a product of curiosity. People have changed their buying habits completely because of these apps and the conveniences they offer. 4. Curiosity has built great cities and connected places together. Engineers who build bridges and architects who design spaces are all questioning about the best way they can manage to help people.
Like, share and subscribe.